it's Mickey with Motion Restoration. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a self-massage for sinus pressure relief. Now this is something you can use throughout the entire year. So if you have allergies during the spring or in the fall or in the summer, or if you're having congestion from a common cold. This can actually even help if you have polyps or anything that have formed within your sinus cavities. So what we like to do to start is finding a position that's going to be comfortable with you that also encourages draining. So sitting up, or you're going to be at a semi-inclined, or just have your head sort of propped up. So I like to do this even for myself if I'm noticing any type of congestion before bed, because I notice that when I lay flat on my back, that's when I notice my sinuses tend to get most clogged up. So the nice thing with doing the self-massage is you don't need any lotion. You can just use the oil that's on your face naturally for this. So what you're gonna do, get yourself in a comfortable position, and we're gonna start off at our eyebrows. So we have our eyebrows, so come up, and then at the indentation, you're gonna notice on both the left and right side of the eyebrow here, you have a little indent on the bone. So I want you to press into those indentations on both sides. So you're gonna press in, hold for a count of 1, 2, and then relax. Press in, hold 1, 2, relax. And then you're gonna follow along your eyebrow or along the brow bone, and you're gonna notice another set of indentations here. So same thing, press in, 1, 2, and relax. Press in, 1, 2, relax. And then we're gonna continually follow the eyebrows to the outside. You're going to notice another indentation in the bone here on both sides. So same thing, press 1, 2, and relax. Press 1, 2, and relax. And then I like to do the same thing over again. So pressing in, and then pressing in. So the 3 pressure points along the eyebrows here. And then you're going to go up above the eyebrows and push out and down towards the ears. So up, down towards the ears. So we're pushing everything upwards. We're pressing on the sinuses and pushing them towards the ears. So doing a few passes with that. And then we're going to go along the nose here. So along the bridge of the nose. And then you're going to find just beside the nose here, again, we have a little bit of an indentation. So we're going to feel where our cheekbones come in and then they join right beside the nose there. So same thing, pressing in, 1, 2, and relax. Pressing in, 1, 2, and relax. Then you're going to drag your fingers and you're going to go along cheekbones both sides. And then we're going to focus, we're going to go on the left side first. So I want you to grab the bridge of your nose and then you're going to drag underneath your cheekbone up into your ear. So drag. So I'm kind of pulling apart as I'm doing it. So drag up into the cheekbone. And then same thing on the other side. So pulling on the nose, going up underneath the cheekbone, up into the ear, and again. Like that. And then this one, it can feel quite sensitive, especially if it's quite inflamed in your sinuses here. So you're going to take your thumbs and I want you to hook them underneath your cheekbones and think of it almost as I'm scooping under and pushing forwards. So I'm scooping under the cheek and I'm kind of pushing this portion of my cheek, I'm trying to push it forwards. So this can be really uncomfortable when you're really inflamed. So pushing, and I like to hold this guy for about 5 seconds and then relax, take a breathe, and then you're going to do it again. And relax. So even doing this a few times just helps to bring the sinuses away, so they can help to decrease that congestion in there. Just like that. Perfect. And then I like to do another swipe of the sinuses back. And then we go in behind the ears here. So when everything comes down, it helps to drain down just behind the ears here, the Eustachian tubes. So to help to drain that down your neck. So trying to release that congestion. So just behind the ear, pulling that down. Same thing on the other side, just behind the ear. Pulling it down. Now, if you're feeling like it's still quite blocked up and things tend to get stuck there, then you're going to go into the sides of your jaw here. So just below our jawline here. So right below here on both sides, I want you to dig your fingertips in and just open your jaw. As you drag your fingertips down, it'll help to release any of the pressure that can get stuck in your TMJ. So just open. There we go. Another one that really I find helps out, especially if we get very congested in our faces, but we can also get congested in our neck. So for that, you're still going to be pulling down the neck as you look up. So underneath, look up. Sometimes it's also helpful is when you're doing this, swallow as you are pulling it back. Doing a sinus massage can only take about 3 to 5 minutes. If you are very congested, you can do this repeatedly throughout the day to help alleviate the congestion that is built up within your sinuses. Now, if you do have any type of severe inflammation and you are taking medication, this is still an okay thing to do, but just go check with your doctor to make sure that everything is okay and that you're not just relying on a self-massage to help alleviate the pain, especially if there's any type of infection that is happening within your sinuses. Please contact your general practitioner, your GP. I hope this helped you out. Again, this is something you can do all throughout the year if you're noticing any type of congestion that you're having within your sinuses. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.